Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can adjust the brightness of your screen on Windows PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to adjust the brightness of your screen on Windows PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to go to your Windows settings. So just search for settings on your Windows search bar and then open it. And once you're on settings, next, I want you to go to System. And then select Display. And here on the Display section, you will now be able to see the brightness option just right here. So you can now adjust this based on the brightness that you prefer. The lower the percent, the lower the brightness, and the higher the percent, the brighter it will be for your screen. Feel free to experiment the percent until you meet the exact brightness that you want for your screen. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.